Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Fold the mirror if it moves and press the glass gently toward the housing to expose the cover seam. Use a soft cloth over the glass to protect it. Insert a flat plastic pry tool at the top seam and apply steady, even pressure. This relieves the first clip. Once one clip releases, move to the adjacent seam and keep fingers near released areas to feel remaining clips. This prevents the cover from snapping off unexpectedly and damaging paint or clips. Once the top clip is free, continue clockwise to the inner side and then the bottom, releasing each clip in sequence so tension redistributes. You should pry a little, then feel a pop as each clip gives. Make smaller moves rather than big forceful pulls to protect plastic tabs. If a clip resists, switch to the opposite side briefly to relieve tension, then return. Make sure to support the cover with your free hand so it doesn't fall when the last clips release. To finish, align the cover's tabs with the housing slots and press evenly from one end to the other. You should hear distinct clicks as each clip engages. If a tab broke, make a temporary repair with epoxy or install a replacement clip before reattaching to ensure secure fit. Once seated, test mirror fold, electric adjustment, and heating. If alignment is off, remove and reseat. If the cover won't snap in, inspect for debris or damaged clips and replace as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.